Alright, Hubsan put an update out there that's supposed to allow the Zino to return to home and continue to return to home even when it regains signal. Before, it would go into GPS hold, and Hubsan said that's the way they had meant to do it, but hopefully they're listening to the users out there, and hopefully they're listening. So we'll test it out. As you can see on the left is the firmware that I just downloaded a couple days ago, the 1.5.1 firmware, and the only difference is this camera firmware on the bottom right that has the arrow in the blue. That's the change. So I just updated it, and we're going to go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm out 1,500 feet, starting to get a little breakup. I'll let it keep going a little bit and see when it disconnects. All right, it disconnected. And we'll see if it goes into automatic return to home and then stays that way. Well, it did not reconnect. So that issue that I've been testing for the last few days is not working now because I can hear it overhead. I didn't bother recording the hat cam because I figured it would just return to home. It's not reconnecting. That's crazy. Okay, I'll put it down. I'm putting it down now. Again, I wish I had the hat cam. And now that it has disarmed, we'll see if it gets signal back with the drone. So I still have nothing on my controller. First thing I'm going to do is unplug the phone, then plug it back in. I can see my sticks, but I can't see the FPV. So we'll do it again. Unplug, plug it back in. So now I'll back out of the app, try to enter device again. There we go. So I had to back out of the app and then go back into the device. And before, when I did this, it would still disconnect and then reconnect right now, but it seems to stay up. So I'm going to try it one more time. I lost my video. This happened before. What I have to do, and it says disconnected. And I have no control over the drone. So anytime you lose connection and then land, lose connection and land, you have to restart the drone, restart the controller, or it will just disconnect soon afterwards. So now I'm going to do that. Enter device, plug in the cable, enter main interface. All right, so now we should be ready to go again. Hopefully we get a better... That's crazy. So It was at least resyncing yesterday, and now it's not. Not sure if it was the update or what. And now I'm going to take off again and try to lose it one more time. So I'm almost losing connection, and that's because I have trees in front of me, but that's fine. I want to lose connection. There we go, lost everything. It still shows video. Now video's gone. And I got my antennas pointed towards it, and we'll see what happens again. Okay, regain connection. Disconnect. And went in the GPS hold. So I will return to home, take off point. And while it's doing this, I'm going to recheck my camera version. I'm supposed to be on 3.6. I'll go into the app and see what I'm on. I'm on 3.6. So I have the camera version 3.6, flight controller's on 1.5, and it did not continue the return to home. All right, I'll send this to Hubsan and see what they say. Or one thing I want to note, I'm not sure if I went over this before, but I was taken off over here before, and that's where home point is. Let's see what happens when I hit return to home and aircraft landing in place. I choose current position. Hit OK. So it did turn to where I am. I'm not sure if this was a feature before, but we'll see if it does it now. It said my phone's GPS was weak, but it shouldn't have been. So we'll just see where it wants to land. So it's pretty close. It did change the position from where I had it started, so that's good. All right. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.